Hello class 10. We have reached at the end of the second unit syllabus, which consists of 3 chapters, chapter 4, 5 and 6. Now today I am going to discuss about the worksheet regarding the chapters. As you all know that chapter 4 worksheet questions had already been given and solved. Today I am going to discuss the questions, the MCQs from chapter 5 and 6. Chapter 5 I am beginning with. The first question from the MCQ. Who brought the printing press in India? It is not the name of any person. It is the name of the people who have brought the printing press in India, that is Portuguese. Name the first English weekly newspaper published in India, that is Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Third question, who is known as the father of printing press, or who was the founder of movable Bengali type or letters, or who is known as Gutenberg of Bengal? The answer will be Charles Wilkins. Next question, who made the Bengali wooden blocks for Wilkins? Answer, Panchanan Karmakar. Question number 5, who established the Serampore Mission Press when? Answer, William Carey with Marshman in 1800. Next, who are called the Serampore Trio? Answer, William Carey, William Watt and Joshua Marshman. Next question, name the first monthly Bengali periodical, or another one, first weekly Bengali paper. First monthly Bengali periodical, it is Digdarshan. First weekly Bengali paper, there is a confusion. It is either Samachar Darpan or Bengal Gazette. Mostly it is Bengal Gazette. Who published Digdarshan and Samachar Darpan? Both the papers or magazines were published by Joshua Marshman. Next, name the first Bengali daily newspaper. Who published it and when? Answer, Sangbad Prabhakar by Ishwar Chandra Gupta in 1831. Who was the owner of the first printing press in Bengal? Answer, John Andrews. What is the first published book in India? That is Halhead's A Grammar of Bengali Language. Who founded Bengal Gazette Press in 1818? Answer, Gangakishore Bhattacharya. When was the first linotype in India used? The answer is in 1935 for Anandabazar Patrika. Next question. When was the Adams Press regulation passed? Who withdrew it? Answer, 1823 and Charles Metcalfe. When was Barnaparichaya published? 1855. Who was known as Vidyabanik? Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Which is supposed to be Bengal's first autobiography? It is the autobiography of Ras Sundari Devi. Who is the author of Alaler Ghorer Dulal? It is Parichand Mitra. Who wrote Ramtanu Lahiri o Tatkalin Bongo Samaj? Shivnath Shastri. Who authored Annoda Mongol? And it is Bharat Chandra. Name the Oscar-winning film director of India, Satyajit Roy. Who introduced colored printing or half block printing in India or Southeast Asia? Upendra Kishore Roy Choudhury. Who founded the U. Roy and Sons? Upendra Kishore Roy Choudhury again. Who discovered medicines for Kalajar? It is Upendranath Brahmachari. Who founded Indian Association for Cultivation of Sciences when? It is Dr. Mahendra Lal Sarkar in 1876. Who founded the Calcutta Science College when? Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee in 1914. Regarding the printing press and printing technology, few more questions are there. They are, which is considered as the first social newspaper? Answer is Bongo Darshan. Name some writers or publishers of Bottala publication. You can write any names including Visheshwar Dev, Bhavani Charan Bandopadhyay. Name some examples of Bottala literature. You can write Chandi Mongol, Annada Mongol, Vidya Sundar. Who was the first Bengali publisher and bookseller in Calcutta? It is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Coming back to the development of science and technology. Next question is, who established Indian Institute of Statistical Sciences? It is P.C. Mahalanobis. Who was the founder of Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceutical Works Limited? Acharya P.C. Roy. Who established Bose Institute of Sciences or Bosu Vigyan Mandir? Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose in 1917. Who invented the crescograph machine? It is Acharya J.C. Bose or Jagadish Chandra Bose. When was the National Council of Education formed? 1906. Name the organization that was formed to counter Indian University Act of 1905. Answer, National Council of Education. Who founded the Bengal Technical Institute and when? It is Taraknath Palit in 1906. Who was the first mayor of Calcutta Municipal Corporation? It is Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das. Who established Shantiniketan when and where? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore, 1901 at Bolpur, West Bengal. What was the first school at Shantiniketan called? Path Bhavan. Who were the first chancellor of Vishwabharati University? Answer, Pandit Brajendranath Seal. Who was the first principal of Vishwabharati College? Answer, Vidushekar Bhattacharya. Let us move on to the MCQs from chapter 6. Question number 1. Where did the Teen-Kachia system prevail? Answer, Champaran, Bihar. When and by whom was the Champaran Satyagraha held? Answer, 1917 by Gandhiji. Where did the Moplas belong to? Malabar coast. When did the Mopla revolt take place? 1921. Who authored Atmashakti and Dhumketu? For Atmashakti, you will write Birendranath Chattopadhyay. For Dhumketu, the answer is Abani Mukherjee. Next question. When and by whom was the May Day observed in India first? Answer, 1923 by Sringa Ravellu. Next, who founded the Krishak Praja Party? Answer is Fazlul Haq. When and by whom was the Communist Party of India founded in Tashkent, Russia? It is 1920 by M.N. Roy. When and by whom was the Congress Socialist Party formed? Answer, 1934 by Jayaprakash Narayan, Acharya Narendra Dev and Ram Manohar Lohia. When was the All India Kisan Sabha formed? Answer, 1936. Who was the founder of Swadesh Bandhav Samiti? Answer, Ashwini Kumar Datta. When and by whom was the partition of Bengal announced? It is 20th July 1905 by Lord Curzon. Next question is, when did the partition of Bengal come to affection or come to being? It answered 16th October 1905. Next question, when was the partition of Bengal annulled or ended? Answer, December 1911. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occur? Answer, 13th April 1919. Next, when and by whom was the non-cooperation movement launched? Answer, 1920 by Gandhiji. Who founded the Ayodhya Kisan Sabha? Jawaharlal Nehru. When and where did the Ekka movement occur? Answer, 1921, Raebareli, Sultanpur and Hatau districts in UP. When and where did the Bardoli Satyagraha take place? 1928, Bardoli in Gujarat. Who was the leader of Ekka movement? Madari Passi. Who was the leader of Bardoli Satyagraha? Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was known as Deshapran? Answer, Birendranath Shashmal. Who was known as Deshabandhu? Answer, Chittaranjan Das. When did the Simon Commission come to India? 1927-28. When did Congress raise slogan for Purna Swaraj or complete independence? Answer, 1929 at the Lahore session of Congress. Who founded the Vidyut Bahini? Answer, Ajay Mukherjee, Satish Samanto and Sushil Dhara. Who started the first labor movement in India? That is Gandhiji. Who founded the Mazdoor Mahajan Sabha? Again the answer, Gandhiji. When was the Workers and Peasants Party formed? Answer, 1927. When and where was the Girni Kamgar Union formed? 1928 in Bombay. Name the newspapers published by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer, Kesari and Maratha. When was the All India Trade Union Congress or AITUC formed? Answer, 1920. Who was the first president of AITUC? Lala Lajpat Rai. First secretary, Diwan Chimanlal. First secretary of AITUC, Diwan Chimanlal. And first president of AITUC, Lala Lajpat Rai. When did the Chauri Chaura incident occur? 5th February 1922. When was the first Independence Day of India celebrated? That is 26 January 1930. When did the Meerut conspiracy case begin and against whom? Answer, 20th March 1929 against 33 communist leaders. If you cannot remember the exact date, you will only write the year. Mention only the year, 1929 against 33 communist leaders. Who was the editor of Langol? It is Kaji Nazrul Islam. Who was the editor of Gonobani? It is Muzaffar Ahmad. Next question. When was the Rashid Ali Day observed? Answer, 12th February 1946. Who founded the Radical Democratic Party? Answer, M.N. Roy in 1940. When and where did Tebhaga, Telangana and Punapra Valor movement occur? For Tebhaga, you will write Bengal, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Punapra Valor, Travancore. And these all were the peasant movements and all of them have occurred in the year 1946. So, we come to an end in the worksheet MCQ questions. Still there are many questions from the two lessons, that for that reason you will have to study or read the lessons in the book very well as you will have to go through the notes that has been given to you. Next, we will be discussing about the SAQs from both these lessons.